Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry without coaching. First, you need to build a strong foundation. Start by thoroughly understanding basic concepts such as atomic structure, chemical bonding, and stoichiometry. Dedicate at least 1 hour each day to consistent study. Utilize reliable textbooks and free online resources, like university lecture series, to grasp these core principles effectively. This initial step is crucial for your entire learning process. Next, engage in active learning. Solving a wide variety of practice problems is essential. Aim for at least 20 to 30 problems per chapter. Regularly review all previously learned topics to reinforce your understanding and prevent forgetting. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This process helps you identify any areas where your knowledge might be weak or incomplete, allowing for targeted improvement. To deepen your understanding, employ advanced study techniques. Develop comprehensive summary notes and concept maps for every unit, visually connecting ideas. Flashcards are incredibly effective for memorizing essential formulas, reaction mechanisms, and definitions. Review them daily for 15 minutes. Consider joining online chemistry forums or study groups. Engaging with peers can provide new perspectives and help clarify challenging topics, fostering a collaborative learning environment. Finally, maintaining motivation and consistency is key. Set clear, achievable goals, such as mastering 1 chapter per week or solving 50 problems daily. Remember to take regular short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour, to refresh your mind. Track your progress diligently and celebrate every small victory, like understanding a difficult concept or acing a practice test. This positive reinforcement will fuel your journey to mastering chemistry independently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.